So what's up YouTube? In this video I'll be teaching you how I wrapped this dummy with cling film. This will enable you reuse it for a couple of projects, and to help you make your dummy last longer, and it will also help you keep your dummy in shape, and it's gonna be neat all the time. It won't after reuse and couple of your projects. So yeah, so basically this is a video that will show you how to wrap your dummies in cling film. It's quite easy though. Anyone can do it, even a baby can do this. So without further much ado, let's get here straight to the video. How to prepare your dummies for basically for fondant covering. This method will help you. Will help you whenever you reuse the dummy you get for future projects you get. So for this video we'll be using some cling film and scissors. If you have scissors, no problem. I think we could use where are my tools? Yeah, got it. We could use some cutters, I guess, cutters. So starting off, I'll be putting that aside, and let's just start with, let's say we'll start with this. So basically we're just wrapping this in cling film as neat as possible, so that it's gonna enable us separate the buttercream when time need be. Okay, so let's wrap, guys. So yes, wrap it, go around. Try and make sure it is as neat as possible. This is quite difficult to cut, more than expected. So just try and make sure it's as neat as possible. You wrap the edges, and I think that's it. It is well wrapped in cling film. So with this now, you can like use it to you can like this now. If you apply buttercream on this, you could easily just peel the cling film up and you get your clean white dummies. So let's do the square. I think the square will be a bit easier because it just has defined squares, defined size, unlike the cylindrical round mold. You get? So yes, you go around this way. Yes, you go around this way and you bring it, twist it. That's what I'm doing. And you take it around. Okay, let me see a bit of the problem here. Okay, take it around this way. Take it around this way. That's all. Then you cut. Yes. After you cut, you just finesse your edges and make sure it is well laid. Okay, make sure it is well laid, and yes, try and get rid of any air bubbles inside. No air bubbles allowed inside. So yeah, that is how you protect your dummies, and you can actually reuse this for a couple of fondant decorations that you want to do, and it's going to last you a very long time if you do this to it. So I think that's about us at the end of this video, so peace out.